St. Vicky College of Arts, Commerce, Science, Panvel has started the lecture series. Myself, Rajshri Matre from CSIT department. Subject is Software Project Management, Lecture 2. We are discussing today about methods and methodologies. A method is a model which project managers employ for the design, planning, implementation, and achievement of their project objectives. There are different project management methodologies to benefit different projects. For example, there is a specific methodology which NASA uses to build a space stations, while the Navy employs a different methodologies to build a submarines. Hence, there are different project management methodologies and caters to the need of different project spans across the different business domains. See, project can be brought to be a successful end in various ways, but the best and the most popular project management and methodologies, methods and frameworks are always changing. New concepts appear all time. The entire string of method, tools, and technique lies behind all the successful project. In fact, as a project management as a project participant, you are probably get the use of more than just one of this during your project life cycle. However, project management methodologies, methods, and frameworks are just not a project managers. The entire team must understand their usage, purpose, and basic terms. This will ensure that the whole process will go smoothly regardless of your choice. Remember, no project or team is same. The methodology or framework that work for someone else might not be right one for the you. That means जो मेथड आपके लिए करेक्ट है, आपके लिए जो फ्रेमवर्क करेक्ट है या जो आपको यूज हुआ है, वो जरूरी नहीं है कि किसी और के लिए भी वो सेम यूज हो सकता है या सेम यूज होना है प्रोजेक्ट में. वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है. एवरी डिफरेंट मेथड्स आर डिफरेंट, एवरी फ्रेमवर्क्स आर डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट वेज, फॉर डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर, फॉर डिफरेंट पर्सन. That's why the best to test how you can use them or your own projects. If you run one or more small terms are looking for the most used project management tools for projects, we wrote this. We can read this project documentation and store it for our further review. Whenever we are making a project, see, जब भी हम कोई अलग डायरेक्शंस में या अलग वे में कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं, तो हम उसके जो भी इश्यूज है, उसके रिगार्डिंग्स है, सब हम स्टोर करके रखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाए तो उसके मेथडोलॉजीज हमें यूज में आए. ओके, वी क्रिएट दिस एक्सटेंसिव guide for beginners to help you pick the project management methodologies, methods, and frameworks that will fit all your needs according to your industry and project activities. Okay. The difference between the methodologies, frameworks, and methods has always been highly a debated subject, even in the field like research and architecture. Okay, then what are methods? The definition of methods can be a procedure or a process for attaining an object, such as a symmetric procedure, technique, or mode of inquiry employed by or proper to a particular discipline, or a systematic plan followed in presenting a material for induction. The word, in other words, we can say a method refers to a single action, tools, technique, process, or the way how it's going to be handled by a someone people. And what is methodology? A body of method rules or the particular employs by discipline and a particular procedure or a set of procedure. Essentially, methods and methodologies are different. When a person is using their methods and methodologies for different, we can say for different project, it will act in a different way. So every project has different methods, different techniques, different procedures, different rules, different people, different team, different leaders. everything. Even frameworks also is the same. They have different frames, they have different rules, regulations, postulations. The analyze of principles and all the procedures are different in a different way. See, these projects are going to be changed in a different way. See, we have given here an best example, like NASA for building a space station will be different methods, while the Navy employees have a different methodologies of building a submarine. Different characters, different peoples, different ideas. The same, just to meet their different, we can say, to meet their different requirements. See, when we are making a project or when we are making any software, we always look after the person or the thing which is going to be happen, or which is going to be meet the requirements of a software. Okay, so this will help us to understand the procedure. Next, we'll go with a project charter. Project charter is a formal, typically stored document that describes your project. It it's entirely, including what the objectives are, how it will be carried out, and who is the stakeholder. It is a crucially integrated in planning the project because it is used throughout the project life cycle. Next is, what are the projects typically we are going to use? Okay, what are the projects typically we are going to use? See, project characters typically documents a reason for the project, objectives and constraints of the project, the main stakeholder, risk identifiers, benefits of the project, and generally generally overview of the budget. Then how to create the project character then, if the project character is done. See, in simple basic language, project character क्या होता है कि जो भी हम कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट करते हैं उसको हम जो भी हम बनाएंगे या जो भी हम करेंगे उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करके रखना है हमें। तो उसमें कैसा होगा कि उस प्रोजेक्ट का रीजन क्या था, उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या थे, उसके मेन स्टेक होल्डर्स कौन थे, मतलब जो पीपल, आई टेल यू व्हाट इज अ स्टेक होल्डर, बट यहाँ पे याद रखना स्टेक होल्डर्स में भी पर्सन, कस्टमर, कंपनी या कोई गवर्नमेंट जो भी है जो हमसे डिमांड कर रही है, हु इज आस्किंग फॉर द रिक्वायरमेंट। फिर उसके रिस्क आइडेंटिफाई करने हमें और उसको सॉल्व भी करने हैं। बेनिफिट क्या है इस प्रोजेक्ट का, और जनरल ओवरव्यू ऑफ द बजट, मतलब ये ओवरऑल बजट कि मतलब किस में कंप्लीट हुआ ये प्रोजेक्ट। Okay, then this will help us to understand the project character. For example, I'll tell you, imagine that you have a team putting together for a webinar. हम एक webinar organize कर रहे हैं. Here is a simple project character could look like. अगर simple project character क्या कैसे दिखेगा? अगर हम कोई webinar, एक example ले रहे हैं हम लोग, अगर webinar हम generate कर रहे हैं तो, so हम मैं लिखूंगी a company XYZ project character, then name of the project, building a positive company or making or building a positive software. चलो वैसा पकड़ के चलते, for building a positive company culture is a webinar's name. Then project का description, 1 hour webinar will be featuring or 3 or PPL are going to present it, whatever. Next is business case. Supports our company wide goals, मतलब increasing sales, increasing our projects demands. What are the establishment of the company, who is going to lead this company, who is going to lead this project, who are the employments, who are the engagement in the spaces. Then project deliverable, landing page of webinar, 1 hour webinar, who is going to recording or continual of generation, project का benefits. See, this is what we are doing. We are writing a project character. We are writing a project character. उसके main topics हम ले रहे हैं. Next is project benefits. And ये project benefits में क्या हुआ उस project webinar में हम क्या लिख रहे हैं कि that boosted our reputation, lead generations, resources we can continue to promote. And then we'll go with the risk, project risk, technical difficulties. This is our first webinar and the team lacked the experience, जो भी है. Then we will write the project budget, कितना project लगा, 30,000, 50,000 ये webinar organize करने में. तो project के milestones क्या थे, landing project launches, then slide completed, live webinar, फिर project team members कौन कौन थे, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर, प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइनर, वेबिनार पार्टिसिपेटेंट और एक्सपर्ट कौन था, इवन उसको वेबिनार के पार्टिसिपेंट्स कौन थे वो भी लिखना है, ABCD जितने थे, होस्ट कौन कर रहा था, वो सोशल मीडिया कोऑर्डिनेटर कौन था, मेल मार्केटिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर कौन था. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट रैटर. ओके, वी आर डन विद द ऑल प्रोजेक्ट रैटर. यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में एवरीथिंग वी हैव कवर्ड इट, कि उस प्रोजेक्ट रैटर लिखते समय या उसको स्टोर करते समय, डॉक्यूमेंट करते समय हम क्या क्या पॉइंट्स कवर करेंगे. ओके, this will help you to realize that what are the typical. See, next we will go with the stakeholders. Stakeholders are those with an interest in your project's outcome. They are typically the member of our team meets, project teams, project managers, executives, project sponsors, customers, and users. Now, some of the typical key persons you will look after. Okay. Stakeholders are the people who will be affected by our project at any point in its life cycle, and their input can directly impact our outcome. It's essential to practice good stakeholder management and continue the communication to collaborate on this project. See, whenever we are making project, we have to collaborate on this system, on the person who is going to handle it. Stakeholders will always have a benefit and loss also. So whatever we are making, they will always reflect it. See, project stakeholders in general can be a single individual or entire organization who are affected by execution or overcome of the project. It doesn't matter whether the project affect them negatively or positively. If they are affected, they are stakeholders. The key project, or we can say the stakeholders, however, are stakeholders who have the influence and authorities to indicate whether the project is successful or not. These are the people who will group those objectives must be satisfied, as they have a power to make the break the project. Even if all the deliveries are budget are meet, if the customers aren't happy, the project cannot be considered as successful. Simple as that. See, when the stakeholders, in short form, मतलब जो भी project stakeholder को affect करेगा, stakeholders को जो भी affect करेगा project का positive negative जो भी है, अगर stakeholder is not satisfying, वो खुश नहीं है, इसका मतलब प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल नहीं है. भले ही वो पूरा बजट में आ गया, प्रॉपर टाइम पे डिलीवर हो गया, उसके पहले के रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी थोड़े से मीट भी हो गए, सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी हमने उसके देख लिए, बट अगर वो हैप्पी नहीं है तो वी कांट हेल्प इट. ओके, इफ ही इज नॉट हैप्पी वी कांट हेल्प इट. हम उसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते, प्रोजेक्ट तो लॉस में ही है फिर. सो वी कांट हेल्प इट विद इट. Next, we will go with the different stakeholders, or we can say who are the stakeholders in it. See, customers, employees, investors, suppliers, communities, governments, all type of stakeholders you will see in this stakeholders category. Next, we will go with the business case. A case can provide justification for undertaking a project, program, or portfolio. It evaluates the benefits, cost, and the risks of alternatives, options, and provides a rationale for the reference solution. Information included in the formal business case could be a background for the project. The expect business benefits, the option considers the expect cost of the project, a gap analyze, and the acceptance of the risk. The business case captures the reasoning of initiating a project or a task. See, it is a information needed for the authorization of a project. हम बोल सकते हैं कि उसका क्या रीजन है, बिजनेस केस क्यों होना चाहिए, क्यों, why we are using. It is a documented the justification for undertaking a project usually based on the estimated cost of development and implementation against the risks and anticipate the business benefits and savings to be gained. See, in simple language we can say, जो भी बिजनेस में जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स हम बनाएंगे उसका जस्टिफिकेशन है द बिजनेस केस, and it will go through an authorization that how the business case is going to be take place. So we can say how the project is going to take place. This analysis will fulfill the business case for the project, will implement the corporate strategy and sustain the implementation advantage of the company. Um, Even we can say, if you convert the business case to action step and the major milestone in order to develop a plan that will guide you to eventual through an entire project life cycle, including that the project outcome. This will help you to understand what the reasons, what are the options, what are the benefits, risk, cost, and time scale investment appraisals are going to be done, are going to be taken in this business case. Next is project success and project failure. Project failure can be defined as a project that fails to perform a duty or to expect action, non-occurrence or the non-performance. Whereas the project success can be defined as achievement of something desired, planned and attempted. So a project is considered a failure when it is not delivered what it was required, the line with an expectation. Therefore, in order to success, a project must be delivered to cost, quality, and the time, and it must be delivered the benefit present in the business case. Reason for failure, project failure. So what happens here when the अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट को हमने प्रॉपरली मीट नहीं कर पाए, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट नहीं कर पाए, उसका रिक्वायरमेंट्स में हिसाब से अगर प्रोजेक्ट नहीं बना है, क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है, टाइम पे डिलीवर नहीं हुआ, अगर बिजनेस केस में लिखा है कि कॉस्ट का प्रोजेक्ट का कॉस्ट इतना है, उसकी क्वालिटी इतनी है, उसका टाइम इतना लगा है उसको बनाने के लिए, तो वो उस मतलब इट डजंट बोलते ना, बिजनेस केस को उसने प्रॉपरली क्या बोलते हैं सेटिस्फाई नहीं किया है, तो प्रोजेक्ट फेलियर ही बोला जाएगा. उसका परफॉर्मेंस ठीक नहीं है, एक्सपेक्टेड एक्शन के हिसाब से इट इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, उसकी परफॉर्म ड्यूटी वो नहीं दे रहा है, देन project can be failure. Then what a successful project? Successful projects are those that meet the business requirement, are delivered and maintained on schedule, are delivered and maintained within the budget, and delivered the expected business values and return on the investment. सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट क्या है फिर? जो बिजनेस के रिक्वायरमेंट्स मीट कर सके, मेंटेन्ड रहे शेड्यूल में, बजट मेंटेन्ड है, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वैल्यू फॉर बिजनेस रिटायरमेंट वो इन्वेस्टमेंट करेक्ट है. मतलब हम बोल सकते हैं कि जो भी स्टेक होल्डर्स ने हमें जो बोला है उसके हिसाब से ये प्रोजेक्ट प्रॉपरली मैच किया है. सो इट इज अ सक्सेसफुल प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, thank you. We will see in the next project, next lecture.